Let's break it down. A customer market is simply a group of people. These aren't just any people. They are the specific individuals who want or need what your business sells. Think of it as your business's fan club. These are the folks who will choose you over the competition. They share similar characteristics like age, location, interests. Your job is to know this group inside and out. Who are they? What do they care about? Understanding this isn't just a good idea. It's the most fundamental part of running a successful business. If you don't know who you're selling to, you're just guessing. You see examples of this every single day. Think about a toy company. Their primary customer market is parents of young children, or consider a high-end steakhouse. Their market isn't everyone who gets hungry, people who value a fine dining experience. They aren't trying to sell a $50 steak to a college student on a tight budget. That's a different market entirely. So why is this so critical? It all comes down to the 3 Ps: people, process, product. The people part starts with your customer. When you know exactly who your customer is, every decision becomes clearer and more effective. You can design products they will actually love. You can create marketing campaigns that speak their language. Without this focus, you're just throwing money away. You're shouting into a void, hoping someone, anyone, hears you. Understanding your customer market is the difference between surviving and thriving. It allows you to be efficient with your resources. Imagine trying to sell snow shovels in Miami. It makes no sense because there's no market for them. Knowing your customer market prevents fundamental mistakes. It gives you a roadmap and tells you where to focus efforts. It helps you build a loyal community around your brand. In business, loyalty is gold. So, how do you find these magical people, your target customers? It starts with looking at what you already have. Your current customers are a goldmine of information. Who are they? Look at your sales data, demographics, age, gender, location. What products do they buy most often? Talk to them directly. Send simple surveys. Have conversations. Ask what they like about your business. Ask what problems you solve for them. This isn't complex research, it's common sense. The clues are often right in front of you. You just have to be willing to look. Next, look outward at the competition. Who are your competitors selling to? Observe their marketing. Check their social media. Watch customers walking into their stores. Learn from their successes and failures. Maybe they're targeting a group you've overlooked, or they're ignoring a market, an opportunity for you, not to copy them but to understand the industry landscape. Know where you fit and how you'll stand out. Smart businesses stay aware of what's happening. Then create a customer persona, a detailed profile of your ideal customer. Give them a name, age, job, give them a backstory. What are their hobbies? What are their goals and challenges? What's a typical day look like? Example, high-performance running shoes seller, Marathon Mike. Name, Marathon Mike. Age, job, 35-year-old accountant. Habits, trains 5 days a week, reads running blogs. This fictional character makes the market real and relatable. It helps your team stay focused. Finally, test your assumptions. Run small, targeted marketing campaigns aimed at the demographic you've identified. See if they respond, analyze the results. Are you getting clicks? Are you making sales? Don't be afraid to be wrong. It's a process of refinement. Start broad, narrow, with real data. Ongoing, not one time. When we talk about markets, we can break them down in a few simple ways. The first and most common is the demographic market. This is all about the statistical characteristics of a population. We're talking about age, gender, income level, education, family status. For instance, a company selling luxury cars is targeting a high-income demographic. A retirement planning software focuses on an older age demographic. Next, we have the geographic market. This one is simple. It's all about where your customers live. A local coffee shop's primary market is people within a few miles. A surfboard company focuses on coastal regions. The internet has made geographic boundaries less rigid, but they still matter. People in different cities, states, countries have different needs. You have to consider shipping costs, climate, local trends. Ignoring geography can cost you dearly. Then we get into the psychographic market. This is where it gets interesting. This goes beyond who your customers are and explores why they buy. It looks at lifestyle, values, interests, personality traits. For example, 2 people can be the same age and income. One might be an adventurous risk-taker, the other a cautious homebody. A company selling outdoor adventure gear targets a psychographic market that values experiences and excitement. Finally, there's the behavioral market. This segments customers based on their actions and behaviors. It looks at purchasing habits, brand loyalty, product usage. Are they first-time buyers or repeat customers? Are they heavy users of your product or do they only buy occasionally? An airline's loyalty program targets frequent flyers. By understanding behaviors, you can encourage repeat purchases and larger orders. Knowing your market is one thing, connecting with them is another. The first step is to speak their language. This means your marketing, website copy, social media posts should use tone and style that resonates with your audience. If your customers are young and tech-savvy, using slang and memes might be effective. If your market is serious business professionals, communication should be formal and data-driven. It shows you understand their world. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Be authentic to who your brand is and who your customers are. Another powerful way to connect is to be where they are. Don't expect customers to find you by magic. You need to participate in their communities. Be present at gardening shows, active in online forums, sponsor community gardens. If you sell comic books, having a booth at a comic convention is a no-brainer. This builds trust and shows shared passions. Solving their problems is the ultimate way to connect. Customers buy solutions, not just products. Your job is to understand challenges and clearly communicate how you solve them. Listen to feedback, good and bad. Use customer reviews and surveys. When you actively listen and adapt, you create incredible loyalty. You show them that you care about their success, which is the strongest connection a business can have. Finally, you must be consistent. Building connection doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort across all business parts. Your branding, customer service, product quality, and marketing messages all need to tell the same story. Every interaction should reinforce positive perception. When customers know what to expect, they learn to trust you. In business, trust is the currency that matters most. It's the foundation of lasting, profitable relationships. Let's bring this all home. Understanding your customer market is not just another business task. It is the absolute foundation upon which every successful company is built. Without this, you're operating in the dark. You're making decisions based on assumptions instead of facts. Your product development will be aimless. Your marketing will be wasteful. Your sales efforts will be frustrating. Knowing your customer provides clarity. It gives you a North Star to guide every decision, from big strategic moves to small daily details. This knowledge directly impacts your bottom line. When you focus on a well-defined market, you become incredibly efficient. Marketing dollars go further, sales cycle shortens. This leads to lower costs and higher revenues. It's simple math. A focused business is a profitable business. Deep customer understanding allows innovation and staying ahead. Markets change, customer needs evolve over time. If you're connected to your market, you'll see changes coming. You can adapt products, adjust marketing, pivot strategy. This is how brands stay relevant for decades. They don't just sell to their market, they grow with their market. They are always listening, always learning, always ready for what's next. Ultimately, business is about people. It's about creating value for human beings. Knowing your customer makes that real. It lets you build a brand people love, trust, and recommend. It fosters a loyal community that supports you through good times and bad. This is the real secret to long-term success. It's not just about the product you sell or the process you follow, it's about the people you serve. Get that right and everything else will fall into place. That is the most important lesson.